Just like Cleopatra, you have heard the Grecian history. She was very beautiful and she conquered many great warriors. So beauty sometimes can conquer even the greatest man. But that does not mean beauty can conquer God. No, that is not possible. The Vairagya Vidya, Nija Bhakti, to conquer God is bhakti. If you are advanced in devotional service, then you can conquer God. Just like the gopis, as I was speaking, their parentage was not very high, not at all high. Village agriculturists, farmers, no education, practical, no education at all. And they are not rich at all. Agriculturists, farmers, they are not very rich. So, how they conquered Krishna? Krishna was just a play toy in their hands. Gopi Bhavarasam Dagla. They conquered Krishna simply by devotional service. That's it. They did not know anything except Krishna. They did not care anything. Always they are thinking of Krishna. The one instance of their absorption in Krishna consciousness is explained that when Krishna was going on the pasturing ground, the gopis were crying at home. Why? They were thinking that Krishna, his body is so delicate, so soft, that when we take his lotus feet and place on our breast or chest, we think it is hard, very hard for him. So Krishna is walking in the forest. There are so many particles of stones. They are pricking, and how much Krishna is feeling pain. This thinking may cause their crying, how Krishna is feeling pain. And the whole day they will think of Krishna like that, and when Krishna will come back from the pasturing ground, then they will be relieved. But Krishna has now come back. This was their business. Now this sort of thinking of Krishna does not require any riches or any high parentage or any beauty or any education. So we have to develop such Krishna consciousness. This Gaudiya Sampradaya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's descendants, our line of God realization is that separation, feeling of separation. Not that we have got Krishna within our hand. No. This feeling of separation, worship of Krishna by feeling of separation is better than the worship by directly meeting. Vipralamba seva. So, this Vairagya Vidya, renunciation, Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga means Vairagya Vidya. Vairagya Vidya means no more attachment for this material. That is Vairagya. So Bhakti Yoga means Vairagya Vidya. This Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya says Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yogam. This Vairagya Vidya means Bhakti Yogam Sikkhartameka Purusa Purana. So Krishna, the Supreme Original Personality, He has come down to teach us this Vairagya Vidya. Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yogam Sikkhartameka Purusa Purana. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Sarira Dhari. Sri Krishna has appeared in the form of Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya. So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya says, my respectful obeisances unto him. So, naturally, this context came into my mind, this voice, Vairagya. So one who becomes advanced in Krishna consciousness, naturally they become disinterested for any material pompousness. They do not care. So Vairagya, this Bhakti Yoga means Vairagya Vidya. You can chant. leaves. Oh, where from you got it? Oh. What is the price of this?
No charge.
No, what do they sell?
Oh, this drum was broken, but he gave it to us free. I do not know it.
It is broken?
It was broken, but we fixed it.
Ah. When they give in charity, they give something broken. Kana Guru, Baman ke dana. In India, there is a charity is given to the Brahmins. A man saw that his cow is blind. All right, give it in charity. So, charity means, charity should be the first class thing, if it is really charity. But nowadays people give in charity just for name. Oh, I am giving something. This charity, you have read Bhagavad Gita, there are three kinds of charity. Sattvik, Rajasic, Tamasic. Sattvik, charity in goodness is with due consideration that here should be given the charity. Just like the bathing injunction is to give charity to the Brahmins. Why? That is the worthy place to give charity in the hands of Brahmins and Vaishnava. Real Brahmin, I don't say caste Brahmin, because they will employ whatever you give them in the service of the Lord. There is no question of profit or name. But charity should be given here. Here is something, God's service, that is something. And Rajasic means for the sake of name. Oh, people will say, I am so charitable. That is Rajasic. And Tamasic, one who does not know where the money is going, just like in the Bowery streets. Some that drunkard comes and polishes the motor car and somebody gives $5 and he immediately goes to drink. That means this charity means give him impetus for drinking. If charity creates such drunkard, that is very dangerous. He has to suffer, the man who is giving in charity. Therefore in charity also there must be consideration. It must be Sattvik. Anyway, it has come here, so it is Sattvik. Whatever his mind may be, anyway he has given to this temple, so it is Sattvik. Chant.